This is the Grand Palladium, Colonial side. Will last a couple months before they do a refurbishment on this place. So what you see now will not be what you'll be getting most likely. They do have these little armbands that open your doors. No keys are required anymore. As we come in, there is a closet. All kinds of hangers as usual. We got a safe, some shelving here. Bathroom has a whirlpool tub. Fantastic shower pressure. Sink, toilet, pretty basic. Place for at least one piece of your luggage. Some drawers and a little bench to write at. This room has a king-size bed. And this room is a junior suite, so we got a couple of chairs for sitting and a couch. Nice large screen TV. First time ever, there's actually a list of all the channels that are English and Spanish, so you don't have to go hunting around if you want to watch a movie someday. We're on the second floor. It's got a nice little balcony. This is what they consider a garden view. Don't cut down the jungle at this resort, which is kind of neat because down below we've seen coates, capybaras, tons of birds, iguanas, you name it. In the morning, birds are all over the place. They wake you up. So I hope that gives you a little bit of a look at what the Grand Palladium Colonial used to look like. And at the end of this month, they're going to be revamping these rooms, so expect them to be slightly different.